Using crop functions in HeartWorks echocardiography. When a selected volume is acquired, using the Acquire button on the control console, the additional tools of cropping and MPR are opened. Selecting the crop option opens the display of the 3D volume and the cropping planes X, Y and Z. Each plane can be moved in turn within the echo volume to set the crop position. This is achieved by dragging the plane using a mouse into the volume. It may be necessary to zoom out on the image to make both slides planes visible. By clicking on the X, Y or Z slice button again, to a partial highlight, cropping is deactivated to allow rotation of the volume and zoom. Clicking the crop plane button again will highlight the button in green and reactivate cropping. Clicking the Reset Crop Plane button will restore the original Acquire volume.